Okay, so I have 40 pennies here, and the first step is going to be to take half of these pennies and move them over to the product side. So we're going to take, here's 10. So we got 10 over here. The second step would be moved another 10. So we have a total of 20 pennies. Now we're going to move a quarter of these 20 back. So if you got 20, a quarter of those would be 5, right? If we broke this into 4 parts, you got 5 here, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to move 5 back. So after step 1, we count these up, and we have 25 on the reactant side, and we have 15 on the product side. Okay. Step 2 would be go back to the reactants, take half of what we have. So we have 25, and so half would be 12 and half of a penny. But since we can't do half of a penny, we're going to round up to 13. So we're going to take these 13 and move them over. Okay, and so now we have to do a quarter again. So we can count up how many pennies we have and then just find what 1/4 of that would be. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 15. And we got 20. We got 25, 28. So if we were to break this into quarters, into a quarter, we could put, let's see, 28 divided by 4 is really 7, right? There's 7, 7, 7, and 7. So we're going to take 7 and move it back, and then we'll count up what we have. So over here, now on the reactant side, we have 10 plus 9 is 19, and over here we have 3 7s, and that makes 21. So after round 2, 19 and 21. Then round 3 goes, we'll take half of what we have on this side. So 19, if we take half of 19, we're really taking 9.5, which is really 10 if we round it up. So we'll take 10 and move it over there. So now we have 9 over here. Then we have to take a quarter back. So let's see what we have. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31. So we have 31 over here. We have to find out how to break that into 4. So 31 divided by 4 is 7.5. So we're going to move 8 back over to the other side. So we'll count up what we have at that point. 5, 5, 5, and 2 is 17. So we have 17 over here. And on this side, we have 5, 5, 5, 5, and 3. So 23 and 17. And you just keep doing this back and forth. So we're going to take half of 17, and half of 17 is really, let's see, 6, and then 3. So it is 8.5. So we're going to round that up to 9. And so now we have 9 going over. Then we're going to count them up and then divide by 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 32. 32 is 8, so we're going to take 8 back. And so if we take 8 back, we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24. And this is going to be 16. 24 and 16. And so you just keep doing this back and forth until you get all of your pennies, until they repeat. So hope this helps. Let me know.